Ukrainians are using drones as an advantage. Here is a footage of TB2 drone that was provided to Ukraine from Turkey back in 2021, which is providing airstrikes to Ukrainian forces from distance, destroying Russian armor, Russian munition, and supply trucks from air before Russians can react to it, before they can notice that there is a serious threat in the air. The footage which we received is yet to be confirmed by Ukrainian armed forces or Russian armed forces, whether it was real or it just made up. Here, a Ukrainian TB2 drone is trying to target Russian anti-aircraft systems placed close to a road far away from Ukrainian positions, but it can successfully destroy the Russian targets from distance high up in the air while the pilots are sitting in a safe zone.
Салют! Ох, як все порозлітало гарно. Слухай,